Not every gap gets filled. Most traders expect the market to recover, fill the gap, and continue higher. But sometimes, the gap down changes everything. It tells us sellers may be taking control. This is the hanging man plus gap down confirmation setup. And today, we'll break down why this bearish reversal pattern can become so powerful. Before we get started, let's look at how a hanging man plus gap down confirmation forms in a real market example. Price rallies into a key resistance zone as bullish momentum begins slowing down. As you can see from the chart, multiple upper shadows keep rejecting from the resistance area. This tells us sellers may already be defending this level. A potential hanging man then forms near the highs, warning us that selling pressure may be entering the market. But instead of continuing higher, the market suddenly gaps down. This confirms weakening bullish momentum and increasing seller control. And once price starts breaking lower from the resistance zone, bearish momentum begins accelerating. That's why the hanging man plus gap down confirmation is considered one of the strongest bearish reversal setups in technical analysis. So now let's do a quick recap from our previous lesson on the hanging man plus gap up setup. If you're not familiar with the gap up concept yet, you can refer to my previous video first. Now notice the difference between a standard hanging man and a gap up hanging man. On the left side, we have a standard hanging man without a gap. This setup can still signal a bearish reversal, but the probability is usually lower. Why? Because there's less emotional buying pressure and fewer trapped buyers in the market. Now on the right side, we have a gap up hanging man. The bullish gap up creates emotional buying and stronger bullish expectations. Most traders expect the uptrend to continue higher. But when the market suddenly reverses lower after the gap up, the bearish reaction often becomes much stronger. That's because trapped buyers begin panic selling as bullish momentum starts collapsing. This is why gap-up hanging man setups often produce stronger bearish reversal signals compared to a standard hanging man. And the stronger the bullish emotion before the reversal, the stronger the panic afterward. Now today, we're taking this concept one step further. But what happens when the market doesn't just reverse lower, and instead gaps down aggressively? That's where the psychology becomes much more dangerous. Because when a hanging man is followed by a bearish gap down confirmation, the reversal setup becomes significantly stronger. A standard hanging man alone is usually considered a weaker warning signal. But when the pattern forms together with a gap up or gap down condition, the reversal probability increases dramatically. On the left side, we have the gap down version. This confirms that buyers fail to defend the market, while sellers begin taking control. But on the right side, we have one of the strongest bearish reversal structures in technical analysis. A gap up, followed by a hanging man, and then a bearish gap down confirmation. This creates emotional buying near the highs, trapped buyers, and aggressive panic selling once the market reverses lower. That's why this setup can produce extremely strong bearish reversals. Remember, the hanging man creates the warning, but the gap down confirms the seller takeover. Now let's simplify this setup into a simple 3-candle sequence, so we can better understand the psychology behind it. Candle 1 represents strong bullish momentum. At this stage, buyers remain confident and expect the uptrend to continue. The market still appears strong, and bullish sentiment remains in control. Most traders continue expecting higher prices as momentum pushes upward. This is where bullish confidence is at its highest, right before the market begins shifting. However, beneath this bullish confidence, the market is slowly beginning to weaken internally. And this is where Candle 2 appears. Candle 2 forms the hanging man near the market highs. It has a small body near the top of the candle, together with a long, lower shadow. That long lower shadow reveals that sellers were able to push price sharply lower during the session. However, buyers still managed to recover near the close, so the market still appears bullish on the surface. But internally, the market is beginning to show instability. The long lower shadow warns us that hidden seller pressure may be entering the market. At this stage, most traders still expect price to recover, fill the gap, and continue higher. But candle 2 is only the warning phase, not the confirmation yet. The hanging man creates the warning, but the real confirmation comes next. Then candle 3 opens lower, with a bearish gap-down confirmation. This is where the market shifts from warning into execution. The aggressive gap-down confirms that sellers are beginning to take control. Buyers suddenly realize the market is not recovering. Confidence quickly turns into fear. Late bullish buyers become trapped above the gap zone, while aggressive sellers begin dominating momentum. As selling pressure increases, bearish momentum starts accelerating lower. What once looked like a strong uptrend suddenly becomes fragile. That's why the gap-down confirmation often leads to powerful bearish continuation after a hanging man setup. That's the psychology behind the move, but professional traders don't rely on emotion alone. They focus on confirmation. Now let's look at one of the key technical levels that makes this setup so powerful. The first key area is the gap zone resistance. After the market gaps down, that gap area often acts like resistance. If buyers fail to push price back up and fill the gap, it tells us bullish momentum is weakening. This confirms that sellers are still controlling the market. And once price rejects the gap area, bearish continuation becomes much more likely. The next key confirmation level is the hanging man breakdown. After the hanging man forms, we focus on the next candle. This becomes the confirmation candle. If the market opens lower and closes bearish, it tells us selling pressure is increasing. A more aggressive trader may enter once price breaks below the hanging man body. This provides an earlier entry, but also comes with higher risk. More conservative traders usually prefer waiting for a break below the hanging man low or support area. This provides stronger confirmation that sellers are taking control. It ultimately depends on your trading style and risk tolerance. Once the market breaks below this support zone, it tells us buyers are beginning to lose control. At this stage, trapped buyers often begin exiting positions, while bearish momentum continues accelerating lower. The gap creates the trap, but the breakdown confirms the weakness. And when multiple confirmations begin aligning together, the bearish structure becomes even more dangerous. One of the strongest variations of this setup is known as the island reversal. This happens when the market gaps up, forms a hanging man near the highs, and is then followed by a bearish gap down. The candles near the top become isolated between the two gaps. This isolated structure represents trapped buyers and trapped liquidity in the market. At first, the gap up creates bullish excitement and emotional buying. Most traders continue expecting the uptrend to move higher. But when the market suddenly gaps down afterward, everything changes. Buyers who entered near the highs suddenly become trapped. And as confidence quickly turns into fear, panic selling begins accelerating bearish momentum. That's why the island reversal is considered one of the strongest bearish reversal structures in technical analysis. The gap up attracts buyers, but the gap down traps them. But in real market conditions, the island reversal structure can sometimes become even stronger. Now let's look at a stronger island reversal setup. In some cases, multiple hanging man rejection candles may appear near the same resistance zone before the breakdown begins. This repeated rejection tells us sellers are actively defending the level. Even though buyers keep trying to push higher, bullish momentum starts weakening. And when a bullish gap up is later followed by a bearish gap down, the reversal warning becomes much stronger. This often signals increasing seller pressure near market highs. And once bearish confirmation appears, the island reversal setup becomes significantly more powerful. But the reality is, most hanging man signals actually fail. So how do professional traders filter out weak setups and focus only on the strongest reversals? That's exactly what we'll break down in the next lesson. Subscribe to Market Structure Logic for more advanced price action and trading psychology lessons.